Hello. Today's we can discuss about the real world interfacing in 8051. So first example is that LED that can be interfaced to the 8051. See the circuit diagram. In this circuit diagram, the URI microcontroller can be requires, or URI IC that can be requires a power supply, a oscillator circuit and reset circuit. The XTL1 and XTL2, it means 18 and 19 pin, are oscillator pins. 9 number pin are reset pin that can be connected to the capacitor through the resistor. And another LED that can be connected to the P2.0 to the power supply. It means basic requirement that can be done: a power supply, a oscillator circuit and a reset circuit. Next, we can programmed by the using Kill-C software. The program is that hash include register 52.h, that is the header file of the 8051 microcontroller. Next instruction is S bit LED is equal to P2.0, that can be defined the LED pin. At earlier we can see the circuit diagram, the LED that can be connected at the P2.0. So LED cathode pin that can be connected to the P2.0 through the resistor that can be connected at the VCC. Because of the single bit LED is equal to P2.0, that can be defined the LED pin. Next instruction, wide delay wide, that is the function prototype declaration. Next it is that the wide main wide, that is the looping function that can be number of time program can be looped. Next it is that the while one, that is the conditional loop. Next it is that the we earlier the define the LED pin, so directly we can write LED on or LED off. That can be using the instruction LED is equal to 0, that is the LED on. Next it is that the delay subroutine. Next instruction it is that the LED 1, that going to the LED off condition. And another it is that the delay subroutine, and another program we can write the delay subroutine. The instruction it is that the wide delay wide, we can use the integer I, integer j, then the next for loop, the initial value I is equal to 0 and last value it is that the I less than the 10 and I plus plus. Next it is that the for loop, j is equal to 0, j less than 10,000, j plus plus. That is the subroutine of the program. The logic of the program is that we earlier see the LED connected reverse condition in the P2.0, because at the time P2.0 pin it is a low, the LED which be on condition, and P2.0 pin it is equal to 0 or low, at the time LED will be on, and P2.0 it is equal to high, at the time LED is of the condition, and that can be done by the program. This program can be simulate at the kill software, that can be create the hex code, and hex code that can be burned at the 8051 microcontroller IC using the burner. That time hardware will be done, and LED on and off delay that can be defined to the delay subroutine. Thank you.